12:30 in the afternoon, and that is dust that's flying around. Not fog, not snow, that's dust. Quartzsite, Arizona is located in the Sonoran Desert about 18 miles to the east of the Colorado River. The population as of 2020 was 2,413 residents, but that swells significantly during the winter months. So this is Quartzsite, Arizona, Main Street. It's awfully windy today. In 1856, Charles Tyson built a fort at the current location of Quartzsite to protect his water supply. Fort Tyson then became a stopover for the stagecoach. Later, in 1897, gold was discovered in Quartzsite and it became a mining town. Quartzsite is a popular destination for winter camping, for those that want to escape south during the coldest months of the year. Quartzsite has numerous free dry camping opportunities on much of the surrounding BLM land. Quartzsite also has multiple LTVA areas where you can camp from September 15th through April 15th. For $180, this includes water, a dump station, and trash removal.
So with all the videos we watched of Quartzsite, right, I've never seen one where they talk about extreme winds and dust storms. So if you're camping here for days and this thing starts and keeps going for a day or two or three, I don't know, that must be really tough. So with all this, and I see people in tents here, so I don't know what they do as far as, you know, getting a break from the wind.
This is Dome Rock Road that parallels Interstate 10. We have a whole bunch of casitas here out on Dome Rock Road. Must be some kind of a casita convention or something. Look at all of them. Wow. Quartzsite was named after the mineral quartz, which is found in the area. Quartzsite averages 4.5 inches of rain per year, and in the summer months, it's one of the hottest places in the United States. Quartzsite is known for major gem and mineral shows, large open-air flea markets, and the Big Tent, which is a large RV show in late January.
So this is Tyson Wells. This is where all the vendors set up their tents for all the stuff that they sell. Stuff. But this wind is just nasty. And it's constant. It's not just gusts. It's a constant wind.
What they don't seem to show you about videos of Quartzsite is how windy it can be, and then it gets very dusty. Quartzsite is home to the High Jolly Cemetery. High Jolly, or Haji Ali, was hired by the U.S. Army in 1856 to introduce camels as beasts of burden to cross the Great American Desert. Ultimately, the experiment failed, but Haji Ali's work with the U.S. Camel Corps earned him a reputation as a legend in the Quartzsite area. Thanks so much for joining us on our windy visit to Quartzsite. Please hit that subscribe button, and thanks so much for watching.